How to divide a circle into 6, 7, or 12 equal parts in PowerPoint. So if you want to divide a circle into 6, 7, 12 equal parts in PowerPoint, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your PowerPoint. After opening, now you can just go with a blank document or an existing document, whichever you're comfortable with. And after that, you need to just go with insert, which is on the upper left. So go with insert and you need to go with chart, and under chart you need to go with pie and select the pie chart. Go with OK, and once you've selected the pie chart, now here you will have this kind of interface. Now you can just simply enter equal value because we want an equal circle, right? So go with the equal value and make sure that you've selected 6, or if you want 7 you can select 7, or if you want more than that you can go with more parts. Once you've done, so now you have a circle with equally divided parts. You can just remove the data that you want, the excess data, and that's it. You can also crop this one if you don't want. Like you can go with the format. You can select the format if you want to. You can go with chart design. And in this way, you'll be able to have perfect circles. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.